Well, hello and welcome to another episode of Co Fishing. My name's Stephen Co. Today you join me back down on the Earlswood Lakes complex, and well, we're back on Windmill Lake. Haven't actually fished it yet this year. I'm joined by Nick Longpree, who's well known in the fishing community. He's one of the best young anglers going about. We've come down for a 24-hour session just to see if we can get our hands on a few fish. So looks all right, and we'll see what we can do.
Yeah. Well, after leading around, I found a nice little gravel spot at just under 40 yards. It's the deepest part in between a big gully with sill either side. As you can see, I've been putting some bait out of the Carp, a mixture of sail and essential sail. And yeah, I'm going to put 2 rods on it, put a big spread over the top and see if I can catch one.
Right, well, as I predicted, just as the light started to fade, rod ripped off this fish, completely spawned out, and this is actually an ounce, under 20 pounds, 1915. So yeah, it's not actually the fish I've seen showing over the spot, which was actually quite a bit bigger than this, I think. So yeah, that's quite good. Nick's still holding out for one of them chunks out the margin, but it's good to get off with a nice fish, especially for first fish out of the lake this year. But yeah, I'm hopeful that we'll have a few more. So I'll get this slip back. Hopefully we can have a few more, and then we'll talk rigs and bait in the morning. Right, well, good morning. As soon as it started to get light again this morning, saw the spot slicking up, and I was a bit like, wait, the rod's gone. And then brrr, screamer, same rod as last night. I had that scraper 20 on, went off, and we've had these 2 this morning. Nice brace of fish. So I don't know, it's looking like we've got a bit more time for a few more fish possibly, but we'll get these 2 slipped back, and we'll see if we can't help ourselves to another couple more fish. Right, well, we've come to the end of our short session. Just, well, not probably 18 hours or so, something like that, just a quick overnighter. Ended up with 3 fish, that ounce off 20 last night, and then this morning I had a double take, resulting in a brace of about 34 pounds of carp. I mean, I thought it would have fished better, but lake's been a bit slow, so sorry it's been a short video, but one little video is better than no video. So stay tuned and look forward to the next video.